Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to edit music on a CapCut application by your iPhone. So the things you have to do now is open your CapCut and you can also start a new project, but today I would like to use my previous project here. So on my project I already have a picture as well as the music over here. Let's check it. I'm feeling lonely. Okay, and now let's edit this music. So if you can see, the music is quite too long, so that this this project have like 35 seconds, meanwhile the picture only stop in 5 seconds. So first edit of the music today is cropping the music. So the things you have to do now is just bring this straight line into the end of the clip. Whenever it's already in the end of the clip, we need to click this music section, click the music section, and after that just go click split. And now you just need to go click delete. Now we already have the same length between the music and the clip. Okay, so that's the first edit. And then the second edit, I will like to make this music is slowly appear and slowly disappear from this project. So first thing you have to do, just click the music part, and after that just go into the fade. I would like to make a fade in and fade out. Fade in means that this music will be slowly appear and fade out will be slowly disappear. Okay, so it sounds really smooth, right? That's the second edit. And then for the next edit, I think I will like to do a volume. I would like to adjusting the volume of the music here. I would like to make it like not that strong, so I would like to drag this into the left side. Okay, whenever I'm done, I just need to click done. That's the third edit. And then for the next edit, which is the last edit, I would like to do a voice effects. Just by click it, I would like to make this music have a deep voice, so just need to click it. Okay, so that's all. That's the way how to edit music on a CapCut, guys. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.